So we are doing another example of graphing a parametric curve by eliminating the parameter, and we want to show direction. For this particular problem, we do have, we are restricted from 0 to pi. So let's see, just like previous example, I'm going to use cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta equals 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is square both sides of this equation. Actually, you know what you could do is to multiply both sides by 2 first. That would be a better strategy. So 2x equals cosine of theta. And then I can say 4x squared equals cosine squared of theta. And for y, divide both sides by 2. So I have y over 2 equals sine of theta. So y squared over 4, or y over 2, if you prefer, it doesn't matter. Y squared over 4 equals sine squared of theta. And we know that cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta equals 1. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page. So I have 4x to the second plus 1/4 y to the second equals 1. Well, I need to have this 4 in the denominator. So notice that if I give this a denominator of 1, I'm not changing anything. And so I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 1/4. So I would have x to the second over 1/4 plus y to the second over 4 equals 1. And this is going to be part on ellipse. This is the major axis is vertical, and minor axis is horizontal. And let's make a table of values, and I could fit it in here. Well, actually, let me go ahead and go to the next page, make it easier. So let's say this is theta, and this is x, and this is y. We said that theta is between 0 and pi. So let's say 0 in here, pi in here, and let's try pi over 2, just to check for the endpoints. Well, and we also knew that x equals 1/2 cosine of theta. We were told that y equals twice sine of theta. When theta is 0, cosine of 0 is 1. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. And let's see, y is going to be 0. When theta is pi over 2, cosine of pi over 2 is 0. 0 times 1/2 is 0. Sine of pi over 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And cosine of pi is -1 times 1/2 is -1/2. And then I get sine of pi is 0, so I get another 0. So now let's just go ahead and graph this. I'm going to go ahead and erase this part just to make the graph a little bit nicer. So there we go. Oops. Okay, so this is x, this is y. And our first point is 1/2, 0. So right here. So 1/2, 0 is right here. The next point is 0, 2. So it's going to be way up here. So let's say this is my 0, 2. And then my next point is -1/2, 0. So it's here. And so look at the direction of this curve is going to be like this. And we started from 1/2, 0. So we went this way, and then we went this way. And this is going to be the direction. Okay, thanks.